Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to answer the questions we have on page 58. Now, in questions 21, 22, and 23, we have a bar graph that we need to look at in order to answer the questions. Question number 21. Barry charged $4 for each copy. This means we have a number of copies. For each copy, Barry charged $4 of Return of the Dinosaurs. Here we have the title of the book. So let's look at the graph. Where is this book? It's here, Return of the Dinosaurs. How many copies did Barry sell? So how many copies did Barry sell? I told you before, whenever we have a total and we have a number of groups, like here we have a number of copies, I have the total number of money that he has, which is 1,200. So we have the total. I have a different number of copies that I don't know. So I'm going to put a question mark here. This is the variable. So the copies are unknown. The number of copies is not known. It's unknown. And here I have the price of each copy. So each copy costs $4. So this one is $4 as well. I don't know how many copies we have. In this case, we said if we know the total, but we don't know the number of groups or the items or the price of one group, this means we need to divide. So I'm going to say it's 1,200 divided by 4. So I'm going to write over here 1,200 divided by 4. Let's look at this number. I have a 12 over here divided by 4. Let's skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12. So the answer is 3. And I still have 2 zeros that I will move to the quotient. So 300. So 300 copies. These are the number of copies that Barry sold. 22. Barry charged $9 for each copy. So I have another number of copies for another book. Now the name or the title of the book is America's National Parks. So America's National Parks. America's National Parks. So he sold a number of copies, and the amount of money that he received was $810. Each copy costs $9. So in this case, the total is 810. I have a number of books. Each book is $9, but I don't know the number. In this case, we need to divide. So we're gonna say 810 divided by 9 equals. Now let's look at the numbers that we have here. So we have 81. I'm not going to look at the 0. 81 divided by 9. We will skip count by 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Let's count. The counters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. And I still have 1 0 that I will move to the quotient. So we have 90 copies. Now, question 23. Barry charged $7 for each copy of Most of the Great. How many copies did Barry sell? So here we have the total. Most of the Great, 1,400. I have the total. I have the cost of each copy, which is $7, but I don't know the number of copies. So the variable is the number of groups or the number of copies. So I don't know the number, so we need to divide. So I'm going to say 1,400 divided by 7. 14 divided by 7, 7, we will skip count by 7, 7, 14, so the answer is 2. How many zeros do we still have? We have 2 zeros, so 200 copies. Now in question 24, construct arguments. Explain why the following quotient is incorrect. Some students said simply because the quotient cannot be greater than the dividend, and this is correct. We can also say because if we look at the inverse operation, 2000 multiplied by 5 is 2 times 5 is 10, and we still have 3 zeros, is 10,000, not 1,000. The correct equation, the correct quotient should be what? 1,000 divided by 5 equals, I will look at the 10, 10 divided by 5 is 2, we still have 2 zeros that I will move here. Now question 25, the band boosters collected 2,400 for the sale of hamburgers and hot dogs. The amounts earned from hamburgers and hot dogs were equal, so this is important, I have equal amounts. A hamburger sold for $3 and a hot dog sold for $2. How many of each were sold? So I need to get the number of hamburgers and then the number of hot dogs sold. Now, first of all, the total for both hamburgers and hot dogs is 2,400, and they told us that they are equal. So in order to get the amount of money I got for each one, I'm going to divide by 2. So 2,400 divided by 2, so we have two things that are being sold, and we're told that the amount of money they received for each one is equal to the other. So we have two equal amounts of money. So I'm going to divide by 2. 24 divided by 2, first number. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. I still have 2 zeros. I'm just going to move them to the quotient. So $1,200 for each one. Dollars. And now I need for each, for the hot dogs and for the hamburgers, for each one of them. Now I need to know the number of hot dogs and the number of hamburgers sold. So I'm gonna say 1,200 divided by 3, because each hamburger costs 3. So 1,200 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12. So 4. And I still have 2 zeros. I'm going to put them here. So 400 hamburgers. What about the hot dogs? I'm going to say 1,200 because I have the same amount of money, divided by 2 because each hot dog costs $2. So I'm going to say 12 divided by 2. Let's skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How many counters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 and we still have 2 zeros. So 600 hot dogs. Question number 26. Select all the expressions that are equal to 30. Now I have here 180 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6, 6, 12, 18. Is the number 3? Is the answer 3? Yes, it's a 3. Do I still have a 0? Yes, because I have a 0 here that needs to be moved to the quotient. So is it 30? Yes, so this is correct. So 180 divided by 6 is 30. I have now 1,800 divided by 3. Let's look at the number. I have here 18 divided by 3. If I skip count by 3 until I reach 18, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. How many counters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 and we have 2 zeros. So the answer is 600. Is it 30? No. So this one is not correct. Now the next one, 210 divided by 7. I have a 21 divided by 7. Let's skip count by 7. 7, 14, 21. What's the answer? 3. And I still have 1 0 that I will take to the quotient. So 30. Is the answer 30? Yes. Now the next one, 120 divided by 4. I have 12 divided by 4. So we'll skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12. How many counters? 3 counters. I still have a 0, so I will take it to the quotient. So 30. Is the answer 30? Yes. So the quotient is 30. The last one. 24 divided by 240, 240 divided by 4. I will look at the 24 first, divided by 4. Let's see, let's skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. How many counters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6, and we will move the 0 to the quotient, so it's going to be 60. So no, the answer is not 30. Question 27. Which division equation is not correct? Not. Now, I have here 5,600 divided by 8. So I'm going to look at the 56. 56 divided by 8. We will skip count by 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. So yes, this is correct, but it's not the answer of the question. Now, because here, which one is not correct? So I just put a tick here on the side to show that this is correct, because I'm looking for the equation that's incorrect. Now, 4,900 divided by 7. I have 49 divided by 7. Let's skip count by 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, this is 7, and I have 2 zeros. Here I have only 1 0, and there's no 0 in the divisor. So this is wrong, because I need another 0. So this is incorrect. Let's double check by checking the other answers as well. C, I have 360 divided by 4. I will look at the 36 and divide it by 4. I will skip count by 4. 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, this is correct. I have 1 0 here and 1 0 here, so the answer is correct. Now, but it's not the answer of the question. And the equation is correct. Now, 4,500 divided by 9. 45 divided by 9. 9, 8, 27, 36, 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. I have 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here, so this is correct. So the incorrect equation is B.